This is where I run. This is where I feel at home. The place that has the routes I'm comfortable running. The place that I'm comfortable running. The routes that I've made, and the routes that I've grown to love. We all have our place as runners, and our places of comfort, where we return to tread the trails, the paths, and the roads. This is where I know every corner, every straight, every descent, and every climb. This is where I know I can push myself if I want to. And the place where I can take it steady. This is where I run come rain or shine, come roaring heat or frigid cold. This is where I've been blown along by the wind and had to put my head down and strive to the finish. This is where I run, and I will continue to run for as long as I can. This is where I run.